Hi Wanderers.
Welcome to Vlogmas. This is
Tasty Tuesday.
Have you ever wanted to bring a little Christmas onto the trail?
Well, join us during Vlogmas and we're going to teach you how to take a Christmas treat with you wherever you may be on the trail.
This is our last Tasty Tuesday and we're going to be making gingerbread Rice Krispie treats. Okay, so we need one 10-ounce bag of gingerbread marshmallows. We didn't have any gingerbread marshmallows, so we're using regular ones. I didn't know that was even such a thing, but there we go. 6 cups of Rice Krispie cereal, 6 tablespoons of butter, I'll grab that, I'm closest, and white almond bark. Okay, so it's really simple to do. We are going to place the marshmallows and the butter in a microwave bowl and heat it up until it's all melty. Step 1.
The marshmallows and the butter.
Yeah. Okay, this whole bag is 10 ounces of marshmallows. I feel like every recipe we've made this month has said, start by melting things. Like, yeah, and we need 6 tablespoons of butter.
We're cutting the butter into smaller pieces so it will melt faster and more evenly.
Okay.
We're going to put this back in for another 30 seconds and let it melt some more.
These marshmallows, I don't even like marshmallows.
I love them.
They're just, they've made a marshmallow blob.
That's what they normally do.
Ugh. The butter's not quite all melted, but we're getting there. Our marshmallow blob is going back in the... Ugh. This is also why I don't like to cook. It's messy and sticky and ugh. Okay. Okay, let's see. My timer's done. You're whipping it. It looks melty.
I saw one marshmallow. Okay. How many are these? How many have we got here? How many?
This is only 4 cups.
Okay.
We need to go get 2 more cups. You tell me when you want more.
Okay. Can you hear the
Snap, crackle, pop,
That's
Rice
it.
Krispies.
They're talking to you.
They're talking to you. Okay, it said 6 cups, although, whew, that's going to be a lot of Rice Krispies. I mean, I guess that's what you need to do. Although if you're using regular marshmallows, I think you could just use the marshmallow cream like Mama said. Okay, so I think I have a pro tip for how to spread this in the pan, because that's our last step, is to just spread it in the pan. And you got to do it while it's still warm. So we're moving over here. Mama has spread butter in the bottom of the pan, and the pro tip is to get butter on your fingers so that it doesn't stick to your hands. Okay. And then we just dump it in here. Let's see if it'll all fit in here. Well, this is disgusting. Ugh. Also, my butter trick is not working. I tried getting butter on my fingers to not stick to it. Okay, the next step is that we put this in the refrigerator and let it sit for 1 hour. I'm going to take some parchment paper and press it down more so that I make sure it fills in everywhere. I can't press it down with my hands because it keeps sticking to them no matter what I do. Okay, so it's already cooled, and the only thing we have left to do is melt this, which we're very good at doing. We've done it a lot. And then we're gonna cut the pieces of these and put a little candy gingerbread man on top of each one. So I thought it would be easier if we flip this out on here before we drizzled the melted stuff on and before we put the gingerbread man on. So this is a test. I don't know if it'll work. Let's find out. Oh wait, I should probably do this and then do this. Now let's see. No. Nothing.
They've never gotten this far. I eat them with a spoon.
So we need to look in the recipe and see how much of that,
I don't.
because we're not melting the whole thing.
Where is the recipe?
I have it on my phone. Okay, now let's see. And there we go. We have a Rice Krispie loaf. So it says 2 ounces of almond bark, and this is 24 ounces. So I think we can use one of those small bowls.
Wait a minute. Yes, probably.
Okay, I'll be back after it is melted. Okay, so once you drizzle, we're going to cut it. We're going to try to cut it into 9 pieces, and then we'll put down our things. Okay? Okay, just these. All right, maybe we'll put them down first because I don't want the stuff to get so cool that it can't stick them. Now we're going to cut it. So when my mother makes her Rice Krispie treats, she makes them on a cookie sheet, so they're a lot thinner. So you can tell how thick this is. If you want them to be thinner, then put them on a cookie sheet. Okay, so we have them, and we're gonna take them out. Take them and let everybody try them. Price,
A sample.
come get you a taste.
Already did.
No,
Actually.
of this. Wesley,
Yes,
get a taste.
just a second.
What do you think?
Pretty good.
Wesley?
He likes them.
Tastes
think
like a
they're-
Rice Krispie treat, but better.
Yeah. I think they're fantastic. Let me take, you want to cut that one in half? What do you want to have?
The whole thing. What you talking about?
No, so.
Please do.
I think I need to take some of this home with me. It's scrumptious.
Wait, how did I go?